Hey there! If you're new to Windows 11, one of the first things you'll notice is that the Start menu looks totally different, but don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use it in a simple and stress-free way. Let's dive right in. The Start menu is where you'll find your apps, settings, and shortcuts to important files. It's your home base on the computer. In Windows 11, the Start button is now centered at the bottom of the screen. It looks like a little Windows logo. And at the top of the Start menu, you'll see your pinned apps. These are shortcuts to your most used programs. You can click and drag them around or right-click to unpin them. Want to pin a new app? Just right-click any app from the All Apps list and choose Pin to Start. If you don't see what you need, click All Apps in the top right corner. This shows every app installed on your computer in alphabetical order. Below that, you'll see the recommended area. These are files or apps Windows thinks you might want to use next. Recently opened files or newly installed apps usually show up here. And down in the bottom right corner, there's a power icon. Click it to shut down, restart, or put your computer to sleep. This is the fastest way to turn off your computer properly. So that's the Start menu in Windows 11. Cleaner, more organized, and easier to customize. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss the rest of this Windows 11 Getting Started series. Next up, how to open and close apps the easy way. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.